No, my phone and everything. Honestly, these are
December 26, 2023. Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputies encountered a 39-year-old woman in a white BMW parked in a handicapped spot at a 7-Eleven without a placard. Deputies approached the vehicle, suspecting a violation. And what started as a routine check quickly escalated when the woman refused to cooperate with officers, and the woman refused to get out of the car, and the woman failed to provide officers with her driver's license.
Ma'am.
Hi.
Hello. Can I get your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Yeah. May I ask why?
Why? Because you're parked in a handicapped spot and I don't see a placard.
Oh, but I just moved in here quickly.
No time frame on the placard. Can I see your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Sure.
2 Bravo 98, final 20, 1201 45th Street. Now, please.
Hey Siri. Okay, Siri.
So what are you stopping at the store for?
I just came in to get a pack of cigarettes.
Just a pack of cigarettes?
Yeah.
Who are you calling? I need your license first.
My attorney.
Your attorney? Okay, well this is just a simple traffic stop.
Yeah, well he's also my boyfriend.
Gotcha. Well, he can't help you right now until I get your license, proof of insurance. Got your registration.
Well, one thing at a time.
I'm sorry?
One thing at a time.
No, I'm going to need your license and proof of insurance.
The voicemail of attorney David Schindler. He's currently unavailable.
He's unavailable. So, ma'am, I'm going to ask you, please. You don't have to make it harder than it has to be.
Did I do something wrong?
Yeah, you parked in a handicapped spot without a placard. Where are you coming from?
Just my house.
Your house?
Here.
Okay.
Yeah, and actually I was...
Can I just get your license, please?
1 second. 1 second. 1 second for you. Okay. Reading.
Is there a problem?
Yeah, there is. I'm pulling you over, or traffic stop for not having the placard, so can I get your license and proof of insurance? You haven't given me that yet. Ma'am, we're going to need your license. Okay.
I have all of the above.
Perfect, then why don't you provide for me?
Are you operating?
What am I operating? What were you doing at your house before you came here?
I was talking to my clients.
Your clients? What do you do
Yeah,
for work?
I'm a hairstylist and makeup artist.
Oh, okay, cool. Nice.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
I can already tell.
What?
Ma'am, can I just please get your license? You're making it a little harder than it has to be, and I don't want to do that, so. What's going on, Mr. White?
Literally just one with the 2 words, like, yeah.
Yeah.
What the?
Were you just getting cigarettes at the store? Be honest with me, what were you here for?
Yes, I was getting cigarettes at the
Just cigarettes.
store. Yes. Oh my God, do you think I was here for something else? Stop it.
I don't know, what do you think I could
Are you joking me right now?
I'm not joking, I'm just asking you some questions.
I am 100% here for all those cigarettes.
Okay.
What else did you think that I was here for?
I don't know, that's why I'm asking.
1000% no.
I don't
Whoa,
know.
whoa,
What you
whoa,
think I'm
whoa,
saying,
whoa, 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 whoa. guys think that I'm here for something else. Okay.
She got glossy on nice slurred speech. Won't give me her license.
I was 1,000% nothing here for anything else
Would y'all
other
stop
than
for?
cigarettes.
DUI enforcement officers arrived at the scene to assess the woman's condition and to work on getting her removed from her vehicle.
She was parked in handicap, no placard.
Oh.
What the
She's
heck?
got
display nothing.
yeah,
Do you,
glassy eyes, slurred speech.
I just,
She doesn't know
there
what
was
she's
no
doing.
other parking and everybody else. Have you, has
Yeah.
anybody seen the things that have happened to me? That's from.
She still won't give me her license and insurance.
All right, 1 second.
Oh, I'm gonna call my friend.
Ma'am, I need your license. I need your license.
Yeah.
Yes. So, can you?
What is it?
I need your license before I can tell you what's going to go off. I need your license.
Okay. And I know they explained this to her. Just re-explain to her where she's parked in the handicap parks.
Yeah,
You don't have a
Oh,
plaque.
so this is like how this.
you're parked in a handicap parking space and you don't have a plaque.
So that's a violation.
Yeah, that's a violation.
That's why you need
$200 fine.
That's why you need a license, registration, and insurance.
Yes, and I need your license, registration, and insurance. Ma'am.
Thank you for that information, but I'm gonna hold on for 1 second.
We got a female officer that can come in for a pat down.
Yes.
We gotta get them started here. We're gonna show you something, ma'am.
Okay.
Request for a female to deputy to be 51 to attend to 20.
You can call right now. Listen, give me this. Give me this. Give it to me. I can. Yes, I can. I can, ma'am. Because
No, you can't.
yes, I can. Because you gotta pay attention to what we're doing. Okay?
This is not allowed. This
you-
is
what's not-
1,000% not allowed.
Here's 100,000%. You need to cooperate with the police when you commit a violation. So listen, you don't get to call your FBI friend. You get to listen to us.
Oh my God.
Do you have your license, registration, and insurance? I need it right now.
Yes.
Hand it over, please. Please, ma'am. This is the
I would
traffic
like
stop.
my phone back
Okay.
again.
If you don't give me your license,
What did I do?
you park in the handicap. Look straight ahead.
This is for a
Look
handicap.
straight ahead, mam. Trust your own.
This is for a handicap.
Trust your own eyes. First of all, look at the violation. Like, look straight ahead.
Reed, hold on.
Whoa!
Reed, hold on.
Hold on.
Whoa!
You close.
the
Hey,
door.
close it,
Close
close
the door.
Ma'am, listen. Could you listen to me?
What is going on
Look
right now?
straight ahead right there. What did that
We'll
say?
step back.
No, I do appreciate your cooperation. We didn't have to get off on this rocky start. We
What
aggressive
is
something.
it? This is the most appropriate thing.
Thank you so much. Now,
Why is this happening?
okay, you can start talking.
It's cut at the top.
Where are you coming from? Sure.
My house right on Northwest,
Where are you going?
back home. So why is
did
this
you come-
happening? Yes. So why is this happening? Out of all the things that happen in this neighborhood, why?
Look right at that sign. That's why it's happening.
So,
That's why we're here. If
is
you look,
this,
just remind
all
yourself.
of this is necessary?
No, what, I'll let you take it. We'll go and take it. You go right
What's
with you.
happening?
Tell them
I
what your
don't
suspicions are.
understand.
Okay,
I don't
ma'am.
understand.
Ma'am, can you listen to me? Can you listen to me for a second? Okay. Right now, I'm suspecting I suspect that you have been drinking tonight.
I have
I
not.
can smell a strong odor coming from your person,
Well, I have not.
and I need you to step out of the vehicle so we can
No.
do some tasks. You
No,
don't
I
want to
have
step out of
not.
the vehicle?
I have not. I have
Okay,
not.
well, I smell a strong odor, so I'm gonna need you to step out of the
I
vehicle.
don't know why. Is it my perfume?
Ma'am, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
No.
Now, I'm giving you a
I'm not.
lawful.
I'm not.
I'm trying to get her out of the vehicle.
No, because you know
I
what?
need
As
look,
my
this is my last
Okay.
time asking you. I need you to get out of the vehicle now. Before I bring
Okay.
you out of the vehicle.
all right. You know what? Thank you for that, but no. No.
Okay,
No.
here's what's going to go on.
No. You know what? As my father is like
Look
the
here.
president.
Brown,
My
tell her she's
father.
under arrest for obstruction.
My father
And y'all
is
get
the
out the car.
president
Look,
of.
Look, at this point, you're under arrest for obstruction. So you need to step out of the car.
No.
Come on out, ma'am.
Come on, miss. Come on
You
now.
don't want, just come on out.
Come on, miss.
Just relax. Let's step
Wait a minute. Wait a
You're
minute.
under arrest right now.
Just relax. Just relax.
Ain't got time for that.
Wait,
Come on, there you go.
wait, no.
No need for
For what? What did I do?
Listen. On the rest, man, for DUI and obstruction.
There you go. Miss, come on now. She's on me 2 minutes ago.
All right, that's all. That's all. I feel like that's all. That's all. Thank you.
Show DUI 10 with a white female 1015 for signal 1. Signal 1 case.
This one's loose.
I mean,
So I got one question.
This one got cleaner room too. Positive.
Before she get in your car, start
Yeah. See what?
oh wait.
Case number 141546. 141546.
All right, stop. Close my door, please.
You got her son?
No, my purse and everything. No, my phone and everything. Honestly, okay.
Okay, all right, no problem.
Yes, can we stop here
That's fine.
until
No, we're not going to.
I would like to.
That car.
Yeah, no. So I would like to stay here and like notice.
here in front of me.
And notice like what's going on in my car.
Y'all running? Oh, she got just stop running.
I tried talking to you, baby.
Oh, I've done that.
I don't know why anybody had to go down this way. Oh my God, guys.
You out there, Fox. Can I fly by the window?
I'm gonna. Why did this have to happen? What happened? Why?
My computer.
What did I do that was so
it.
wrong? What did I do that was so wrong?
Deputy asked you several times.
No. Before all that.
You see where your car is? That's a handicap sign. That's a handicap spot. You don't have a handicap sticker. Okay? All right. So.
What you got going on, man?
So. Alright, fine. My boyfriend is.
All right. You need to listen to this deputy, okay?
He's a state trooper.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Would he be proud that our instructions?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Deputy Bell.
Hi, how
I'm
are
going
you?
to check you, okay? Make sure you don't have anything on you. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay,
fine.
turn around, face the car. Spread your feet, please. You don't have anything on you that may stick me? No? Okay. You got piercings, like belly button piercings? No? Okay.
This is the best out of everything. Out of everything. Yes. My mother. In Jupiter.
Nothing you need your bra, people?
Yes.
Nothing you need your
Oh, where's she? Yes.
Nothing in the bra?
You can. No.
Just relax right here.
Good.
Anything bobby pins
Oh,
in your hair?
no. Can I wait, please?
Bobby pins? Any bobby pins in your hair?
Maybe 2.
2 bobby pins?
Maybe 2. No more than TSA would agree to. Okay, so
I don't see any in here, so just a scrunchie. Alright. You guys want our earrings out and stuff like that, or inspecting the property?
Yeah.
Can we wait 2 seconds for my mom, please?
Okay.
Or please, can you put them in my car?
Yes, ma'am.
In my middle console,
Yes,
maybe?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I put my ear back in my thing? Oh my God.
No, you can't take that in jail. You can't take that. Put it in your car as well, okay? You got any rings?
No.
Any bracelets?
No.
No watches?
No.
Okay. I'll put it in your car, okay?
Thanks. But can we wait here for my mom? And also, has anybody called my mom?
What is that?
points, you are under arrest, so you have to follow the instructions. Okay?
Because
So you don't create more
parked in a
charges.
handicap place.
Well, the parking handicap. That's the initiate the contact.
We're going, you're having a seat in the car.
Oh,
Come, let's sit, let's have a seat. Careful, careful. Let's have a seat. Careful.
I'm not aggressive.
No, nobody say you are. Just have a seat. Watch your head stepping in. Watch your head. Watch your head. Go ahead. Put your leg up, please. There you go. Thank you. Be careful. Watch your head.
Can somebody
Put your other leg in, please. Put your other leg in. There you go.
But
Put yourself in.
Can you face forward?
Wait, can I listen?
Can you face forward?
Can I have my mother come and get the car before my car gets
We're gonna take care of
parked?
that. We're gonna take care of that.
I don't want my car to be parked.
I got it. Each time, sheriff's office.
Okay.
And who am I speaking with? Don't mind me asking.
Her little sister.
Okay. Will you be able to
Yeah,
come get her
Mom.
vehicle?
Yeah, Mom. It's at the 7-Eleven on 45th Street.
1201 45th Street.
Yes, I can do that.
Yes. So, how far away do you guys live?
15.
15. Okay. So we'll get the car keys. She was stopped. You want me to tell them or no? She was stopped for parking in a handicap. They attempted to conduct a DUI investigation. And then on top of that, things kind of just went left. She didn't want to comply, but so I think she's going to be going for the driving under the influence and the obstruction of justice.
Okay.
Hey,
She's a little irritated, but she's fine. She's safe. She's not giving us any problems, but you know, she had a little.
Hey, Tiffy, tell mom to call Dave.
Is that your boyfriend?
Do you know where she's going to be going?
Yes, she's going to be going to the Palm Beach County Jail. That's where she's going to be put at.
And call.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more.